in English grammar, students, we are going to learn about alphabetical order. This is very easy. Now see, the English alphabet has 26 letters from A to Z. So it is easy to arrange given words in the alphabetical order. So alphabetical order means as the alphabets come from A to Z, we have to arrange the word. Example words are paper, book, hardcover, foolscape and notebook. Now we have to see the first alphabet of each word. And then according to the alphabets A to Z, when we start saying ABCD, which word will come first? So A, then B. So book will come first. Then A, B, C, D, E, F. Then foolscape will come second. G, H, hardcover will come third. I, J, K, L, M, N, notebook will come fourth. O, P, paper will come last. So in case the first letter, now here what we saw the first letter, but suppose the first letter is same for two different words. First letter is same, then you have to see the second word. See now, poem, phrase, punctuation, paper, printing. Now here all the words start with P, so we cannot write P, take P as a marker to write the alphabetical order. So we have to see the second word. O, H, U, A, R. So now out of this O, H, U, A, R, A will come first. So paper will come first. Next after A, out of O, H, U and R, H will come. So phrase will come second. Then O will come. So poem will come third. Then R will come. So printing. And last U will come. So punctuation will be last. In case the first two letters of all the words is same, now sometimes what happens, the first two letters are also same, then what we have to do, we have to see the third word. Okay, if three are same, then see the fourth word. Like that we have to go on. Printing, prose, practice, prune, pressy. Now the first PR everywhere the same, so we see the third word, that is I, O, A, U and E, and then we have to arrange them in alphabetical order. Now see here, the first one or two we will do. Now here, pot, pan, put, pin, pet. So all are of P. So we'll see the second word, O, A, U, I and E. Now what will be the first one? A. So pan, then pet, then pin, pot and put. Now here, violin, very, vulture, vein, vocation. So what you have to do is you have to underline the second word which you have to consider. Here it will be I, E, U, A, O. Now when we start saying ABCD, which word will come first? Vein. So our first word will be vein. A, B, C, D, E. So our second word would be very. F, G, H, I. So third will be violin. J, K, L, M, N, O. So vocation. And the last one would be vulture. In this way you have to arrange. Same way here. Now leaf, legal, letter, lesson, lemon. See the, now two words are same, L-E, L-E, L-E. So we will see the, now see here the third, third word is G, A, then T, S, M. So out of that, which would come first, you have to arrange. Okay, so this way I will send a PDF of this. You do the work in your grammar book. I hope you have understood this properly.